Fancy dress designs for girls. Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel where creativity meets fun. Today, we're diving into the magical world of fancy dress designs for girls. Whether it's for a school competition, a birthday party, or just some dress-up fun at home, we've got some amazing costume ideas that will make your little one shine. So, grab your notebooks and let's get inspired. The classic princess look. Every little girl dreams of being a princess. And what better way to make that dream come true than with a stunning princess costume? Think flowing gowns, sparkling tiaras, and delicate gloves. You can go for Disney-inspired looks like Cinderella, Elsa, or Belle, or create your own royal fantasy with pastel colors. Lace and sequins. Add a magic wand or a tiny crown, and your little princess is ready to rule the stage. Adorable animal costumes. Animal costumes are always a hit. From fluffy bunnies and cute kittens to fierce lions and graceful butterflies. The options are endless. A simple onesie with ears and a tail can do the trick. Or you can get creative with face paint and accessories. Imagine your little one dressed as a tiny panda with black and white fabric, or a bright peacock with feathery details so adorable. Superhero power dresses. Who says superheroes are just for boys? Girls can save the day too. Characters like Wonder Woman, Supergirl, or even original superhero designs with capes, masks, and bold colors make for an empowering costume. Add some glittery details or personalized emblems to make it unique. Your little hero will love the confidence boost. Fairy tale and storybook characters. Bring storybook characters to life with costumes like Little Red Riding Hood, Alice in Wonderland, or Goldilocks. These designs are not only charming but also easy to put together. A blue dress with a white apron for Alice, a red hooded cloak for Red Riding Hood, or a curly wig for Rapunzel, simple yet magical. Creative fruit and food costumes. Sweet, colorful, and fun fruit and food costumes are perfect for a playful look. Think strawberries, pineapples, cupcakes, or even a bunch of grapes. Use bright fabrics, foam cutouts, or even painted cardboard to create these delicious designs. These costumes are sure to bring smiles wherever they go. Historical and cultural dresses. Teach your child about history and culture with costumes, inspired by different eras and traditions. A mini Egyptian queen with gold accents, a graceful Indian princess in a lehenga, or a medieval damsel in a long gown. These looks are not just beautiful but also educational. Fantasy and mythical creatures. Unicorns, mermaids, and fairies. Oh my! Fantasy costumes let imagination run wild. A shimmering mermaid tail, a unicorn horn with rainbow colors, or fairy wings with glitter can transform your little one into a magical being. Add some sparkle makeup and they'll be ready for an enchanted adventure. Career-inspired costumes. Doctor, astronaut, chef, or pilot career costumes are both fun and inspiring. Dress your girl in a tiny lab coat with a stethoscope, a space suit with a helmet, or a chef's hat with an apron. These outfits encourage big dreams while looking absolutely adorable. Seasonal and holiday themes. From a spooky witch for Halloween to an angel for Christmas. Seasonal costumes are always in demand. A spring fairy with flower crowns, an Easter bunny, or even a snowflake for winter. These designs are perfect for themed events and celebrations. DIY and recycled costumes. Want something unique and budget-friendly? Try DIY costumes using old clothes, cardboard, and craft supplies. a robot made from boxes, a jellyfish from an umbrella and ribbons, or a rainbow from colored fabric scraps. Creativity has no limits. And there you have it, 10 amazing, fancy dress ideas for girls that are sure to make any occasion special. Whether you buy a ready-made costume or craft one at home, the key is to have fun and let your child's personality shine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative ideas. Until next time, keep sparkling and stay fabulous.